How old are you?
56 years old.
Okay. And do you born in the United States?
No, I'm born in Jamaica, brother.
Okay, okay, wonderful. How do you like your business? Do you want to be public on the television or you want this to be private and confidential?
Private and confidential.
Okay, wonderful. And do you have yourself a valid driver's license? Do you still drive at this point?
No, I make my little son drive for me because I can't drive no more. My back may be hot.
Okay, okay. And do you have yourself a valid checking or savings account to put your funds into?
You can put the funds in the savings account.
Oh, you have yourself a valid savings account?
Yes.
And what is the name of the bank you're banking with?
Bank of America.
Okay, and you said it's a check-ins or savings?
Savings.
Okay, okay. And what I want to ask you also, the last time you checked your savings account, how much was in there?
Wait, me have to ask my son again. Wait, me have to ask my son again, cause you know, me type slow with them something.
Oh, so
Kylie!
you're not the one who's,
Come on! Yes, Mama! Come on, man.
Hey, hello, hello.
Hello?
Yeah, keep your business private and confidential.
Oh no, me.
Ask him a question,
Okay? Because me have my little son
Baba, grandma, what you need?
in do the thing for me.
What you need, grandma? Oh, what you need?
Talk to that man here for me.
Hello, you talk to my grandma?
Huh?
Hello, you talk to my grandma?
Yeah, yeah, how you doing? Can you hear me?
Yeah, my grandfather said he need some help.
Oh, he won the publisher's clearinghouse. Do you familiar with the publisher's clearinghouse?
Oh, okay, I understand. I don't really know, but the man just said he need some help. What I need for help him? What you need? What you need?
Oh, I was asking if he had a wallet checking or savings account to put his
Yeah,
check into.
Yeah, me can't check it. Me can't check it. My fault.
Give him back the phone.
All right. Oh yeah, the check-in's right to Grandpa. The check-in's right to
How much that say?
It's a 53,000.
Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Yeah, it says 53,000. Hello?
Can
Can
you
you?
hear me?
Yeah.